Well, hello, Williams Philippines here. Hope you're having a blessed day. Well, yeah, I had some fun today. Was worried I was off on what I'd put into my taxes. I thought I was 200 that I owed them. It's a good thing I went ahead and let somebody else do all that. Turns out I owed them 300. The good thing about that is it's not that much. I have the money to put it in to pay it. Yeah, taxation is theft, but I have enough to pay it, and well, instead of them getting to borrow my money for free, they didn't get to collect my money until time. And yeah, just barely on that. Yeah, I was telling somebody this morning, it's tax day. You know what tomorrow should be? Election day. That way we can remember why. Oh, yeah, we need to get rid of all of them. Just saying. If you had to go and vote tomorrow after having paid your taxes today, would you really want to vote for somebody that taxed you like that? I'm just saying. Might be a good way to fix government real quick. Yeah. Vote them out right after having to pay the taxes they robbed from you. Works for me. So let's see. Since the Tuesday in November is kind of preordained, maybe we should move tax day to November 1st. Sound like a good one to me. Just saying. Or October 31st. There you go. Halloween. Scary, spooky stuff. Yeah. Anyway, I did get over and get that done. Had to swing by my bank and pick up I don't know where it went. Somewhere I have the interest paper from, for the deduction on my house. Couldn't find it for nothing. Had to go back to the bank and get them to give me one. It is what it is. So, yeah, such fun. But yes, got the taxes done, got over, got me a tank of gas, and hit the bank, got that done. Swing by, pick up some food. I ran out of bread and I ran out of ketchup. The world don't go real good without ketchup. Just saying. So anyway, I've got the taxes took care of, and as soon as I get off here, I'm going over and putting my money on the class for the motorcycle class, and then try to take the test for it tonight, or well, the online part of it, the online class, and get that out of the way over tonight and tomorrow night. Well, tonight at work and tomorrow night, and then go Thursday and do the first part, and the Friday do the second part. Because hey, government messed me up. Took my, I didn't know, I hadn't noticed. If I'd have paid attention, I probably could have caught it back when it happened. But yeah, I haven't ridden in 20 plus, actually closer to 30. But yeah, guess what? They took away my motorcycle endorsement, so now I got to go have a class to say that I'm capable of riding a motorcycle that I've been riding since I was 9. And yeah, Don't get me wrong. I'm probably a little rusty, but probably not that rusty. Uh, it is what it is. Mm. Anyway, mm. Banged up my arm. I don't know how well it shows, but got a pretty good bruise there. I don't know what I was doing or what I was carrying, but it's showing up. Yeah, I'm still tired from this weekend. That's why I'm going to try to get this done. Oh, it's 12:29, 12:30 basically, on Tuesday, April 15th. Tax day, government rob you day, tax day, government thieves. Anyway, yeah, here it is Tuesday, and I'm still trying to recover from it. But I did get over and get some boots. I got those yesterday. Been wearing them. I can tell you, I remember, yeah, you got to wear boots on a regular basis or they're like walking around in cement shoes. It's been a while since I wore boots. Still wondering where my boots are. I swear, I think Jack got them. Love the puppy, love the puppy, love the puppy. But yeah, got these so I can take that class. And so far, they ain't that bad. They're a little looser than I like, but eh, I can live with it. It's not that loose, and I can tighten them up a little bit more, and tighten the shoestring a little bit more, and be okay with it. But I don't mind having them loose either. Just tie an extra knot in the top of it, and they don't come untied, and they'll stay on. And it makes them easy to just kind of walk back on the hooks, get them loose so you can step out of them, which will make them good for going through airport security. Of course, they probably won't like the fact that they're boots and heavy and they have steel parts or metal parts on them, but they're going through the scanner anyway, steel toe and all. But if nothing else, they will qualify as uh, boots to ride a motorcycle in. Personally, I've got some sandals with toes that are covered. I could deal with that. I wonder if the Philippines can. I don't know. We'll see when we get there. Uh, I'm a bit rambly here. I'm tired. But yeah, get that class on Thursday, Friday. It's amazing how fast my money went. Poof. Between having to spend money on the class, spend money on the 300 on taxes, and 150 on the tax preparer. I think that's worth having them do it because, like I said, I know I goofed. I was thinking I had. That's why I wasn't in a hurry to get it done because when I went through it, I had a feeling that I was goofing it. And the lady who did it, yep, she caught it. I owe 300. Well, no, I already paid it, so I don't owe it anymore. It's paid. But yeah, between the class, which I'm going to do, the money to get the taxes done and paying the taxes, yeah, poof, there went my money real fast. I still got money though. But yes, it's amazing how fast money disappears here. I was talking to somebody about going to the Philippines, and he's from there. Him and his wife are from Thailand, and they said you'll be good with what you got. It's easy to live over there, and your money goes a lot further and lasts a lot longer. Yeah, of course, my money would probably last a lot longer if I stopped going over and getting these things. This little smoothie. I would have never thought avocado and mango would make a good smoothie. I love it. So yeah, I keep turning around and going there. The good thing is if I do get hooked to these things, the Philippines has them cheaper. Uh, it is what it is. Anyway, I hope you've had a good one. Uh, please come along for the conversation, the thoughts, the ramblings. Hope your week is easy. I really need to get so much done. Why is there so? When we were kids going to school, a year took it was way too long. Then we got out there and started actually having to work. Really found out what a long day it was. But as we get older, it seems like it really does get shorter. Don't get me wrong, I took 2 days off and did a garage sale. So this week has really seemed fast. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Today's my Thursday, I guess, or Wednesday, I don't know. Anyway, I'm definitely ready to have my weekend, get those, the class and the writing part done, get my thing. I need to get over to the DMV and get this taken care of and get over to the DMV, get a driver's license with a motorcycle endorsement. Then I need to swing by and get the uh, international driver's license with the motorcycle endorsement. And that'll probably take me the rest of 2 months or 3. I hope it don't take that long, but we'll see. But yeah, I found out that my disbursement was for that they took sent out. I thought it was insurance they sent out, but it turned out that it was my taxes for the house, which were a little bit lower than they were the year before, and my uh, tax tax valuation on the house dropped about 5,000. So yay! Which means they have less value that they can steal money off of my house for. It's a good thing. But yeah, Texas is good about taxes. Uh, we don't have a state income tax, but we do have sales tax and everything else. And that was pretty much was going crazy on the homes, on houses tax for buying and selling, maintaining your house, annual terrorism by government to extort funds to retire on. So yeah, fun stuff. Way fun stuff. Oh god, I'm hooked on those. I think the next one I'm going to try instead of avocado mango, it's going to be avocado papaya. I think that'll be good. This one was, I would have never thought. Avocado in a smoothie. But yeah, get this taken care of, and that's another of those groups. And I'm still trying to get painting done here. I'm going to try to Wednesday night uh, take and do some of that class, and then also do some of the painting. So try to split it up in there or such. I may just go ahead and continue with the prep work and get the living room ready to go. That way I can do all of it in one bucket and only have one cleaning session for the machine. And then not worry about after getting that, I can get everything from my room over to the new room. And yeah, start trying. And once that gets painted, I can move this over to there or my room back over to my normal room where the air conditioner is because I like air conditioning. But actually, it's sitting there on 75 degrees. It ain't kicking in much. It's just blowing air right now. But yeah, kind of nice. But yes, something else I'm trying to get used to. Keeping warmer instead of having the air conditioner run all the time. Move it up a little bit so it ain't so cold in here. Uh, get used to that. But yeah, I'm definitely wanting to get out of here. Uh, then again, I'm gonna say, I hope y'all have had a blessed day and come along for the ride. I'm William Williams, Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe, do handstands, whatever. Enjoy your life, because hey, none of us get out of it alive. Yeah, the best we can do is live a good life. Have fun with it. Try to stay positive. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm Fish, and guess what? Have a blessed day. Lots of friends, foods, and family, and more food. I'm Fish. Fish out.